Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to create a waterfall chart in Excel. One way to represent the positive and negative rise and fall of values in a table is by using the waterfall chart. To create a waterfall chart using the data, first select the data. Navigate to Insert. Under the Chart section, click on the Waterfall chart. This populates the waterfall chart in the center of the sheet. From the chart, you can see that the increases and decreases in profit are indicated in the form of steps, waterfalls, or bridges. You can also make additional changes to the chart as per your preferences. When you populate a waterfall chart, only the data at the beginning and the end starts from the axis. To make the bars start from the x-axis, double-click the particular data points to open the Format Data Points pane to the right of the sheet. Under the Series option, check the checkbox for Set as Total. This gives you the waterfall chart. If you are using older versions of Microsoft Excel, you might not be able to directly populate the chart from the Insert option. In such cases, you will have to create additional columns for the data points. Let us insert 3 columns in between the original values. The idea behind creating 3 columns is that the base column will contain the data as an initial point. The other 2 columns will contain the positive increasing values and negative decreasing values respectively. First, let us set up the decrease column. From the sales flow column, enter only the negative values in the decrease column and fill the rest of the places with zeros. Another easy way to separate data is to use the if formula and press enter. Now, you can use the drag handle to apply the formula to the remaining cells. In the same way, enter the formula in the increase column and use the fill handle to apply the formula to the other cells. Next, to fill the base column, leave the first cell and enter the formula to add the base and increase value and subtract the decrease values. This acts as the initial point. Now, press enter and use the drag handle to fill and apply the formula to the remaining cells. Now that we have all the data in the columns ready, let us now get ready to create the waterfall chart. To create a waterfall chart, select the data except for the sales flow column. Navigate to Insert and insert the stacked column chart. This populates the chart in the center of the sheet. Now, let us transform the stacked column chart into a waterfall chart. Right-click on any data and select Format Data Series. Under the Format Data Series pane, click on the Fill and Line icon. Under the Fill section, click on No Fill, and under the Border section, click on No Line. You change the chart style from the shortcut Customize buttons presented next to the chart, or you can use the Chart Design ribbon to change the overall layout of the chart. That is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to create a waterfall chart in Excel in 2 easy ways. Choose the method that suits your purpose the best. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.